Hello, my beautiful hearted friends. Welcome to Stress Free English, your safe space to relax, learn, and grow. Before we begin, let's pause together. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale calm and exhale stress. Today's gentle reminder is simple but powerful. You are precious, and while you listen, you'll also pick up some simple English phrases you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Sarah. Every morning, she woke up feeling like she wasn't enough. She compared herself to others, their jobs, their clothes, their smiles. One rainy afternoon, feeling tired and heavy, she decided to take a quiet walk through the park. The sound of raindrops on leaves felt like a soft song, and for the first time in a long while, she slowed down. She began to notice the world around her. Sarah sat on a wooden bench. The world felt peaceful, the rain, the trees, the smell of the wet earth. An elderly man sat beside her. He smiled gently and said, "You know, the rain doesn't ask the flowers to be perfect. It just helps them grow." Sarah looked at him, surprised. He continued softly, "And just like that, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be you." Let's pause the story for a moment. Did you notice these simple English phrases? Take a quiet walk. It means to walk calmly, slowly, with peace. You don't need to be perfect. A gentle reminder you can say to yourself or a friend. Now, softly repeat after me. I don't need to be perfect. I am enough. Sarah smiled for the first time that day. She felt something new, not the pressure to change, but the relief of knowing she was already precious. And from that day on, whenever she felt stress rising inside her, she remembered the man's words, "You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be you." And that's today's story, my beautiful friends. You are precious. Let's take one last deep breath together. Inhale, calm. Exhale, worry. Thank you for being here with me today. If this story made you feel lighter and taught you something new in English, stay with us for more calming stories. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. Share your story with hashtag StressFreeEnglish and join the conversation in the comments. Be part of our stress-free English learning family as we enjoy a peaceful journey together. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily calming lessons and stories for stress relief.